All right, we got a new truck from FMS today. Their 1/10 scale F-100 two-wheel drive monster truck. Looks like it's their competition for the Gorgon. All right, little size comparison with the Gorgon. Pretty much exactly the same size, same wheelbase, same height. This is a nice licensed body from Ford. Soft tires like the Gorgon, no foams. Very similar style chassis. You have a 550 brushed motor, a 40 amp 2-in-1 ESC. Uses an XT60 connector, comes with a 2S 3300 milliamp battery, decent sized battery tray. You can take out this foam and you can fit like a full 5000 milliamp battery in there. Suspension feels nice. I installed the wheelie bar that came with it. Comes with a decent controller. It's a Fly Sky 4-channel. Have all your trims, channel reverses, dip switches for drag brake. All right, first test drive. Scare away these seagulls that keep making noise while I'm trying to film. Enough punch to put the wheelie bar to use. Got the soft tire body roll like the Gorgon. Drivetrain's a little loud. All right, let's give it a top speed test. All right, shouldn't need too much room for the top speed test on this. That drivetrain really doesn't sound the greatest. All right, let's see what it got. $18 miles an hour. Not that impressive. They do say to only run these on 2S on the website. The ESC is capable of 3S. It might get a little hot though, but it is a cooler day out today, about 42 degrees. Let's throw a 3S in there, see if it wakes it up a bit. Doesn't drive very smooth. I don't know if the tires were just a little flat spotted in the box. All right, try it with the 3S battery. A lot more punch with the 3S battery. All right. Speed test on 3S. Brought by Temp Gun. We'll check temps after this.
Let's see what we got.
26 on 3S. That's about stock where I am 2S on my Gorgon. Gorgon drives a little smoother. This does look nicer with the licensed body. Let's see what the motor temps are after driving on 3S for a little bit. Not bad at all. 70 degrees, 60 degrees. All right, try the grass a little bit. Still on 3S. Too cold out here for it to really get hot. Maybe on a summer day, or if you lived in a really warm area, to be careful with 3S. You know what? Pretty good. All right. Let's see if we can find an empty skate park. Got to bash it around a little bit. All right, out at the skate park, let's mess around a little bit. Got it back on 2S. Not quite enough power to clear the stubble. Very smooth though. All right, so I had some pretty good fun out here with the new FMS F-100 two-wheel drive monster truck. It's a little underpowered. Would have liked to see a little bit more out of it, especially since they say you really only should drive it on 2S. 18 miles an hour isn't really enough. Does include a battery and charger for only $170, so it is a pretty good deal. I believe the Gorgon with a battery and charger now is over $200. And this comes with a LiPo, not a nickel metal hydride. Body looks really cool, being the licensed body. Decals are kind of like a paper almost. Kind of a little cheap on the decals, but that and all the lights are stickers instead of lenses. Would have been really cool if maybe they put light buckets in there and you could have put LEDs in it. There's two other body styles for this chassis. Both the other body styles are F-100s. The High Roller monster truck and the First Blood monster truck. They're both kind of a reddish pink. I kind of like this two-tone black and red a little bit better. Overall, it performed pretty well. Did well on the jumps here. Very smooth landings. Not quite enough power to really get some big air. I think I might have to do a brushless system in this. Kind of just like my Gorgon, maybe a similar system. See if that drivetrain can hold up to 3S with some real power. All right, thanks for watching.